Good afternoon. My name is Muhammad Alif HAIQAL bin JAMALUDIN. I am from group OPTIMA. Our group ID is B2. We are consist of 4 person, which is TUAN Nizam bin HAIRULAZUAR, ALLESYA binti MALEK QUDUS, and RUBIKAH anak perempuan MURUGESU. We are presenting for a business project, DPP 5163, and our project title is Innovation Trolley, goes by Trollex, and our supervisor for this project is Puan KHAIRUNNISA binti YAHAYA. First, introduction. One of the most affordable and practical piece that we can see in each warehouse is trolley. A trolley is an object with a wheel that we use at the warehouse to transport heavy things that as a human cannot do. Okay, first we look at the slide. Number one, we got trolley is designed for transporting heavy, bulky, and awkward item around the workplace with a get ease. Number two is a trolley with a built-in cage, make it easy to pick and load or unload item and stock, making handling operation faster and more efficient. Number three is, in the most industry, trolleys are normally used to transport finished product or raw material. Number four is the basic design of a trolley is a simple, a set of wheel and a platform or basket-like structure to carry the item. Okay, next we move to business problem solution. For you guys' information, we choose JNTs as our chosen company for testing our project. So the first issue that been there has been two issues that been we take it seriously after doing questionnaire. So the first issue is parcel easily damaged and harm from conveyor. The second one is customer complain to have been paid when goods or order are damaged. Here's the statement that we have been done. Almost all the customers said yes to the first one is, do customer complain about the damage to their goods? And almost all of the customers say yes. Next, will the use of a new trolley have impact on the effectiveness of your job? And most of the workers say yes. And the last but not least, does the damage to the parcel impact your job? Some of the workers say yes and some have not. And because each workers have their own scope, so which department doesn't have to use trolley, so it's not a problem for them if they doesn't use our product. So next we move to objective of business project. First of all, objective can be divided into two types, which are general objective and specific objective. Okay, then as we see on the slide, for general objective is to design and develop an innovation trolley, Trollex, that can be reduce the risk of worse damage to the parcel. For specific objective, to provide a new product innovation for JNT warehouse and to identify the problem that faced by JNT warehouse. Next, the scope of business project. First of all, we use what, who, when, where, how, as you can see on the slide, for our key point to do this project. So the first one is what our purpose for create or innovate this product. So to develop a safety trolley that can create zero damage to the parcel. And the second one is who. For who we create this product. And for the answer is for JNT staff warehouse. And when will this product or project will be begin? This project start on March 2022, sorry, and ended at June 2022. And where has been this product or project been tested? We done and tested it at 10 JNT branches, which is JNT Street Iskandar, for example, Taman Maju, JNT Section 17 Shah Alam, and JNT Sikamat and Tanjung Sepat JNT. And how we do this project is by innovate the trolley that used in warehouse by adding sponge rubber on the trolley, and it helps to reduce cost and damage or harm from the conveyor. Next, we move to limitation of business project. Every project has its own limitation. Project limitation can exist due to constraint on a research design or methodology, and this factor may impact the funding of a project. Limitation in a typical project may related to the following points. first is limited access data, and the second one is time constraint. Okay, for limited access data, it's quite difficult to meet the respondent due to the respondent are busy and have limited time to respond and respond the questionnaire. And for time constraint, there's a lack of time. We only have 4 months to study and complete the project. Next, we move to product description. For this, what we innovate is we try to make ordinary warehouse trolley to be more safer and easy to operate at certain or all warehouse, which is doesn't lead to customer complain or make some loss on the company. So here's the product description. To make regular warehouse trolley safer to operate, this cut protect the parcel from damage. The trolley primary material are rubber and sponge, and rubber will be wrapped around the trolley and the sponge will be applied to the trolley surface to reduce harm to the parcel if it falls from conveyor. That's all explanation from me. So I'm gonna give to other presenter, my friend Tuan Nizam, to continue the explanation. Thank you.
Thank you ALIFF HAIQAL for the explanation. So my name is Tuan Nizam bin HAIRULAZUAR. My number metric F2002. So my point is product development process. So the new product strategy is to protect new parcel from damage, which is to create a trolley innovation named as Trollex. Usually customer always complain about the damage on their parcel. Other than that, seller also make a complaint about the damage to their goods after being sent to the customer. Hope that this innovation will help the courier service reduce their problem about the parcel damage. Next is idea generation. The idea is to deliver new trolley innovation Trollex that can reduce the risk of worse damage to the parcel. This trolley innovation will be add sponge and rubber on the trolley. Trolley that commonly used in warehouse do not have protection to parcel to the protect parcel. Therefore, the idea is to develop a new trolley innovation was the best idea that can reduce damage on the parcel. Screening and evaluation. After the product has been complete, screening and evaluation will take place. This is because a product must be examined for recently and strength in order to determine its effective. At the same time, the product creator must desire a high quality product to be offered to the user. It must also be constructed using high quality material in order to fulfill manufacturing and regulation requirement. Lastly is commercialization. For this construction is the process of bringing new product to be introduced to each warehouse. With the commercialization action required, the production of goods, testing, distribution, approval, improvement, customer support, and other functions that are important in the production of product that guarantee durability. Consumer is in vendor refinement. This product can be widely introduced in the warehouse industry like any other largest company which has a large quantity of conveyor. Next is raw material. As you can see, direct raw material is alloy stainless steel and stainless steel board, and indirect raw material has steel cone, 5mm sponge, wheels, and wire. Next is novelty and uniqueness. The product is inspired through observation and concept forecast of damage to goods that occur as a result of strong shocks. Trolley can be used in any warehouse that include a conveyor as a tool for preventing harm to goods. Innovation ideas can include any change, either in the form of system and procedures. And lastly, a thick sponge all around it to observe the impact when the product fall into it. So next is proposal planning and costing. So buying raw material, 30 ringgit for alloy stainless steel frame, and 8 ringgit for stainless steel bowl, and 5mm thick sponge, wire, wheels, and steel cone. Next is justification. The goal of the project is to assess the damage to the goods in the absence of protective gear. In this project, protection equipment will be created to see how well the item can survive a relative high impact problem of damage from the conveyor, making it easier and ensuring that the parcel is not damaged. Set some feature for the product generate, such as the level of quality, design, name, and branding. Customer complaint will be decreased because of excellent service. Be able to make this trolley available to the other warehouse firm for use. These communities are influenced by tools that we can prevent serious damage to commodities and have a substantial impact on this activity.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is ALLESYA binti QUDUS. My metric card number is 23-S99F2036. So next, I will continue methodology. Okay, so data analysis method. Descriptive statistic is used for this project as data analysis method. Data collection method, the survey was conducted using face-to-face method. The survey was held on April 2022. For research design, the research for this product innovation is quantitative research. Okay, so sampling data, we collect data from 10 JNT branches, which are from JNT Sri Iskandar Perak, JNT Shah Alam Selangor, JNT Sepang Selangor and JNT Seremban Negeri Sembilan. Okay, next situational analysis. Okay, the strength for this product innovation is the product are made of anti-rust material, portable material everywhere, reduce the damage on the parcel, make it easier for workers to use the product. The weakness for this product innovation is the sponge in the trolley will be flabby, the wheels will be difficult to move if there is less lubricating oil, and the last one is high maintenance cost for this product. The opportunities for this product is creating environment-friendly Trollex, replacing the existing trolley and fulfilling the needs of saving parcel. And the last one is the threat, which is future technological advancement have the potential to alter the way we work today. Okay, next. Porter 5 process. Okay, the first one is competition in the industry. Suppliers and buyers seek out a company's competition if they are able to offer a better deal or lower price. The second one is potential of new entrants into the industry. A company power is also affected by the force of new entrants into the market. The third one is power of supplier. It is affected by the number of supplier of key inputs of goods or services, how unique these products are, and how much it will cost a company to switch to another supplier. And the fourth one is power of consumer. It is affected by how many buyers or customer a company has, how significant each customer are. And the last one is trade of substitute product. Substitute good or services that can be used in place of a company's product or services post a trade. Okay, next, solution impact. Impact is having an effect on a product, process and people. So this product innovation, Trollex, can reduce the risk of worse damage to the parcel and increase work efficiency. Trollex can decrease customer complaint about the damage on the parcel. And the last one is Trollex is very helpful to be implemented at inventory area. Next, I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hi, I am RUBIKAH, daughter of MURUGESU, and my metric number is 23DLS19F2086. I will be presenting on chapter 4 and 5. The commercialization, the process of launching a new product, it may involve heavy promotion and filling the distribution networks with the product. Commercialization is the process of cycle of introducing a new product or production method into the market. In this stage, the product is launched, advertisement and promotional activity begins and increases heavily, and the distribution pipeline is filled with the product. The product will be introduced at GNT warehouse, the medium that used to introduce the product to the market via e-marketplace, which is Shopee and Lazada. The target consumer will be GNT warehouse. As a conclusion, the function of this Trollex is to provide solution for problem faced by a GNT warehouse. This Trollex is made from a large stainless frame and added some additional features such as a wheels, wired steel cone and 5 mm thick sponge. Moreover, it also can protect the parcel from the conveyor. Finally, as a recommendation, retailing and manufacturing can find out the required features of the trolley and modify the trolley according to the needs, comfort and satisfaction of the user. Then can make some improvement to the Trollex, so it is necessary to safety system that it is placing the lock on the tire so that the trolley does not move while walking. Moreover, using more knowledgeable and durable components, for example, the use of stainless steel and ordinary iron may be exchanged using stainless steel and more high quality. Lastly, create a trolley design so that it can be folded. If this can be done in the future, it will be able to facilitate Trollex user. Thank you.